and welcome to Mentoring the Mentors, an institute that accelerates your learning curve. My dear educators, let's talk about some of the circulars that we usually miss reading. My dear educators, maybe many of you have missed this circular. This is a circular that was released on 21st March 2023 by CBSE. So, what this circular talks about? The circular talks about mission lifestyle for the environment, related to sustainable development goals, related to what all activities we do related to our environment, our earth, our soil, our water. So, my dear educators, as it is clearly mentioned, to meet the challenge. What challenge? As we witness the impact of environmental degradation in multiple ways. So, there is a growing realization that urgent corrective measures are required. We need to save our environment. So, meet this challenge, our Honorable Prime Minister has enunciated the idea of lifestyle for environment and has given a clarion call in the conference of parties in 2021 at Glasgow for an international mass movement towards mindful and deliberate utilization instead of mindless and destructive consumption to protect and preserve the environment. अभी हमारा एटीट्यूड कैसा है? माइंडलेस डिस्ट्रक्टिव कंजम्पशन, जो कि हम कहते हैं कि उसको सोच विचार कर नहीं कंज्यूम करते. वी फील लाइक देर आर एम्पल रिसोर्सेज और शायद वो कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होंगे. बट वी नीड टू चेंज आवर थिंकिंग to mindful and deliberate utilization of the resources. So, my dear educators, life, this new initiative envisages a way of living which respects nature and other organisms coexist. This envisages a way of life which respects nature and other organisms. They coexist with us. The humans, फॉर अ ग्रीनर एंड क्लीनर अर्थ. वो नेचर की, दूसरे एनिमल्स की, सबकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारी है. गॉड ने हमें वो विवेक की ताकत दी है, चाहे हम इसको इस तरीके से कहें कि वी आर द सुप्रीम, द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर, वी हैव गॉट दिस क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग टू थिंक एवरीथिंग क्रिटिकली, वी आर क्रिएटिव थिंकर्स. Right? We can think we have that power. Why not to use that power? It is promised on the basic principles of lifestyle of the planet. The planet and by the planet. See, lifestyle of the planet, for the planet and by the planet. You may ask your children to learn this phrase and speak about it, thought about it. Debates can be conducted on that. And the board encourages all the stakeholders to adopt a lifestyle for the environment. For that, you can organize some inter-school and intra-school activities also in your school, and CBS is also organizing the same. And in the view of the above, you are requested to conduct the activities for mission life through कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ करा सकते हैं? Quizzes, drawing, slogan, debate, as I've already told you, regularly. Till when? Till August 2023. Many of the activities, they have been suggested in the calendar as well. Here is a link that you can see in blue in color. So, my dear educators, as we are conducting the activities, we need to upload the brief report with pictures at the given link. Let's first go through the circular, then I'll show you the link as well. So, my dear educators, as we scroll it down and we come here the last page at the annexure 1 calendar of activities, you know very well, student enrichment activity already conducted in February 2023. Celebration of World Wildlife Day done on 3rd of March. International Day of Forest 21st March. World Water Day 22nd March. Earth Day 22nd March. And now student enrichment activities, CBSE Science Challenge. I've already shared a circular related to this on my channel, and my students are already participating in this. Next, what we have to do now in the month of May, celebration of International Day of Biodiversity Day. Now, what sort of activities we can conduct? We can organize activities related to biodiversity in the ecosystem. We may include exploratory visits to garden, nature, eco park, or maybe we can hold discussions on proactive steps that may be taken at individual level, for preserving biodiversity with invited expert. We can have guest talks, we can have talk shows in our schools, and where we can discuss how we can help conserve our biodiversity. And now, celebration of World Environment Day. You know very well, 5th of June is celebrated as World Environment Day. Schools to organize activities related to conservation and protection of the environment. We at the schools may organize quizzes, poster making, painting contests, workshops by the expert talks, etc. And now, celebration of International Day of Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem. This is also a school level activity. We need to organize the activities for the conservation of our such resources. It may be exploratory discussion on the ecosystem, screening of films on the subject, or maybe expert talks. Or maybe beyond that you can go if you have got number of another ideas. My dear educators, next is Project Shunya. Project Shunya, Shunya mane zero. April 22, 2023 onwards, CBSE Project Shunya is an attempt to partner with the schools and the students towards more sustainable future. Schools would be provided a framework to undertake an in-depth school audit to examine and understand resource usage, waste management practices, and the school ecosystem by looking deeply in the areas of energy, water, waste, transportation, and biodiversity in the school. So, my dear educators, as we talked about such projects, we know our objective is Project शून्य. Project शून्य हमें वेस्ट नहीं कुछ करना है, ज़ीरो वेस्ट. Got it. So we have to go ahead with the sustainability. We need to talk to our students about this and let us come up with such innovative ideas. They are so creative. They come up with number of ideas. You can hold expert talks in your schools. You can organize such kinds of quizzes and other activities in your schools. So we need to adopt good practices, advocate awareness related to such activities through social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. We need to use this social media to create such awareness amongst the society, amongst the community. So such kinds of activities, seminars, workshops, etc. can be conducted. As I've already told you, we need to upload the report also through the given link. Now let us click on the given link and see what is this all about. See, this is Mission Life. We need to submit the monthly report. We have to write school name, affiliation number, state or union territory we belong to, our region. In region, we have to mention whether we belong to Delhi, East, Prayagraj, or whatever our COE. We need to select from the drop down. Coordinating teacher's name, teacher's email, teacher's mobile number, principal's email, principal's mobile number, and then other things are already there when you move on to the next page after filling in the first one. So this is how you have to do it. So make sure, my lovely educators, you conduct such activities in your school for Mission Life. And this way you will be able to inculcate such thoughts in your students, like they will be thinking about the real world. They'll be thinking about sustainability. That will become a part and parcel of their life. Keep watching Mentoring the Mentors. Have a nice day.